But something I can say about liver is that it produces the nicest stew, the nicest sauce. If you love liver and you know you love that texture, then let me show you how to select the best kind. Hi everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today, it's Auntie's daughter here, Tabitha, and I'm here to present to you and to show you how to select the best ox liver. Now, liver is something that I cook quite often because it's something that my dad requests. This is something that I think maybe he grew up with, something that is quite nostalgic for him. So I tend to cook it when he asks for it, and I come here and I buy like either half a kilo if it's just for him. He can eat that for like a couple of days, or I buy a whole kilo if my mum wants to eat it, because I feel like they are the two people who love liver and they actually genuinely like it. I will eat it to avoid wasting it, or maybe just to have those nutrients, because it's really good for women who are anemic. It's rich in iron. It's very, very rich in iron, very, very nutrient dense. It's full of protein, and it's something that is very beneficial, basically. So I'll eat it for those purposes, but not because I genuinely love the meat itself. But something I can say about liver is that it produces the nicest stew, the nicest sauce, and you kind of get a dry sauce out of it, like not very soupy wet. It's like when you're frying it in its own juices, it kind of comes to a bit of a pasty kind of sauce, and it's so nice. It's so super nice. But yeah, I'm just not too keen on the liver. But if you love liver and you know you love that texture, then let me show you how to select the best kind, okay? Maybe you've only ever bought a takeaway liver and you've not actually cooked it yourself. So when it comes to liver, you need to make sure that it is a rich red color. If it's dull, if it's brown, if it's lackluster, it's a no. Don't go for it. But have a look at this liver. Have a look at this liver. It is a deep red. It is rich in color. It's looking fresh. It's looking healthy. It's looking good. And that's what I would suggest for you to look for when it comes to selecting the best liver. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, give us a like, and share this video for your liver lovers, for the people who love liver. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.